Hi, we're gonna make beef with cauliflower, and that's a beef we're gonna use about 12 ounces. This time we're using just a regular beef, so I marinate them last night, overnight. So this is already marinated, and if you want to marinate them, you can look at my the other video how to marinate how to tenderize the beef. Then or you can use a better kind of good graded beef like choice beef, and you don't need to do that. You know, you just cut it up and you just marinate them, and that's fine. But this time we already tenderized this. Okay, then all we have to do is just put some little salt and some peppers. You can use black pepper or white pepper. Then we're going to use about 1 egg. Just almost two-thirds of the eggs, you know. Then you can mix them up. Then kind of mix the egg together with the beef. Then we're going to put some cornstarch in it. Probably I'll put about 3-4 teaspoons in it. And you can see they can cover up all the beef, you know, and so you don't soak that much of eggs. Kind of little coating on it, just like that. And after that, I'm gonna put some sesame seed oil in it. Or you can put regular oil, will be okay too. Or both. Okay, then about done. So we're gonna ready to fry them up. So. Okay, then we're gonna go outside and do the cooking. Okay, so we got some water ready. So we put we're going to cook with about 2-3 cups of cauliflower and little carrot strip in it, and we're going to cook it in the water, boiling water. Take about a few minutes to cook. Okay, that's we're going to check that, and I check it with a fork. If we can punch in like that, it should be done. Okay, so it's ready. We're gonna pick that up. So like that. Okay, then we're gonna fry this up with little gingers and garlics and green onions. Okay, then we're gonna put some kind of vegetable oil. Alright, then we're gonna put the beef in it. Okay, then we're gonna put some garlic in it and ginger. A little bit of black pepper. And little sugar, just a little sugar. Then some cooking sherry. And we're gonna put some oyster sauce in it. Around two oyster sauce and 1 spoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, then we put everything together. Okay, then we put okay, that's about done. And that's the beef with cauliflower.